Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to use jLAN Mobile's Order Guide functionality. Order guides are customer-specific items lists. They're designed to allow mobile sales representatives to rapidly focus in on the items most commonly purchased by their customers. Order guides are first set up on the jLAN Mobile server. Let's take a look at the three different kinds of order guides. A static order guide is a set list of items by customer by address. In this example, we have customer Aaron Fitz that always stocks the same items on shelf 1. Therefore, we've set up an order guide called Shelf 1 that will only display on the tablet when the sales rep is at this specific customer and address location. When the salesperson is on site, they can reference the Shelf 1 order guide and quickly see what items need to be replenished for the shelf. There is no limit on how many static order guides can be configured. Next, let's take a look at global order guides. Global order guides are item lists that can be shared across many customers. In this example, we've set up a guide called Chips. The Chips guide is used by many customers. Global order guides are easier to maintain than static order guides since a change to a global order guide will automatically be pushed out to all the customers assigned to that guide. The third type of order guide is the historical order guide. A historical order guide is a list of items that have been purchased in the past by this customer. Historical order guides are different than the first two in that they maintain themselves. Historical order guides will automatically update as new items are sold. Historical order guides contain valuable information such as last sold quantity, last sold date, last sold price, and more. Now that we're familiar with order guides, let's take a look at how they are used in jLAN Mobile Sales Windows Tablet Edition. To use an order guide, we start a new order or invoice as normal. Go to Customers, select the customer, and start a new order. Next, go to Order Lines, expose the app bar, and tap on Add Items. Expose the app bar once again and you'll see the order guide icon. Tap on the icon and you'll see all the order guides available for this customer and address location. Let's start by selecting the HIST or Historical Order Guide. Once the Historical Order Guide is displayed, you can scroll to the right to see additional information specific for this customer and address location, including historical information, stock information, user-defined fields, and even the capability to input par values by day. Let's select some items and add them to our order. Now let's take a look at how a static order guide is used. Again, we'll expose the app bar and tap on Add Items and Order Guides. We'll select the Shelf 1 order guide. In this case, the item list is restricted to the items that belong on this shelf. The user can also see suggested quantity data to help guide them with determining optimal reorder quantities. For example, the sales rep sees that the suggested sales quantity for the chips is 12 cases. However, he sees 4 on the shelf and therefore knows to only reorder 8 this time. He adds the 8 and finishes the order. Thanks for watching this overview on jLAN Mobile's Order Guide feature. For more in-depth information on other jLAN Mobile functionality, please be sure to view our other tutorial videos.